This weed is covering my Irish garden. When I pull it, it comes out easily but no roots. It feels very sticky and the seeds stick to my clothes. What is it? It's Margie in Germantown, Tennessee. She's like, what is it? Couple of names, right?
Yeah,
bedstraw.
Catchweed.
Catchweed is what I know people
well, because it catches you. It's got those little barbs on it, and it takes hold of animal fur and your clothing.
Pants, legs, and things like that. It has little spines on them for the most part. It's actually a winter annual weed.
Yeah, in the heat it'll go away.
Yeah, once it gets hot enough, it'll go away. It grows best in shade, light conditions, especially where there's a lot of moisture. But if you mow it enough, it'll go away. If it's hot enough, like it has been, it'll definitely go away. But it produces a lot of seeds. Yeah. 300 to 400 seeds, one female plant. So that's a lot of seeds. Yes. So if you didn't get rid of it, it's coming back with a vengeance. Yeah. So yeah, make sure you have a thick stand of grass there. Right? That's your cultural practice, for the most part. So you don't have to worry about using any, herbicides, anything like that. Just a good stand of grass, we'll cover that for you because it does have a real shallow root system, so it can be easily, pulled up. And this is in her Irish garden, so yeah, you can just pull it up in your Irish garden. You should be fine.
Sure.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you, so be sure to leave us some comments.